If you want to send a photo or video from your camera roll as a regular snap on Snapchat, there are a few built-in features you can try. First of all, open Snapchat, go to the camera screen, tap the memories icon or swipe up to open your saved content. From there, select the camera roll tab and choose the photo or video you want to send. You can make quick edits, add text, filters or stickers. Then tap the send button to share it with your friends or post it to your story. Some Snapchat versions also include options like director mode or import media. To use these features, open the camera screen, tap the available menu option, choose your media file, preview it, and send it. Keep in mind that Snapchat may still identify content imported from your device as camera roll media. This depends on the app version and Snapchat's current features. For the best experience, always use the official Snapchat app and keep it updated. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.